Hey, what's up, y'all? Before this video starts, I want to say I have a new website. Zosh is updated. We now accept every form of payment. So if you don't have a PayPal account, it's okay. We accept EBT, BET, Google Pay, Apple Pay, all that. Just pay us. And you have some swag-tastic merch on your way. You hear me? That's very exciting. So if you want to support, show some love so we can get some boost stuff all on the channel and, you know, have cool cars and content like that. First link down below to JBtuned.com. Please support us. Thank you. And let's continue on with the rest of the video. Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to finally be giving you guys a review of the Hone Developments Brake Booster Delete. A lot of people ask me, yo, Zosh, is it worth doing the Brake Booster Delete? Yo, should I buy it? Should I keep my brake booster? Well, how about we go for a nice little POV drive and we'll talk about, is it worth it? Do I regret my decision of getting this? I don't know. Let's talk about it. Of fuel left and I'm over here chilling. So you want to know if the Hone Developments, or maybe you don't want to know if the Hone Developments Brake Booster Delete is worth it. I have one track day on it and a shit ton of daily driving experience with it, and let me be the first to tell you, bone apple tea. It's, in my opinion, worth it, but only if you have a good braking system. If you have brakes that are like AutoZone pads or like not a big brake kit, I probably would not recommend you doing this, because like you won't really truly know how great this kit is unless you can stop when you want to stop. You know what I mean? Like this kit is definitely, kit is definitely intended for like street car use. And I highly recommend people who have street cars, who have actual brake. I am not gonna get gas here. All right, I'm gonna gas somewhere else. I mean, I guess I can get gas. Yeah, fuck it. I can gas here. A little pink 350Z. My Desi Banks laugh. All right, let's get some gas. Gas is Jesus. Gas is expensive. Damn. $13. Sounds about right. Hit the first link in the description so I can put gas in my car. Man, times are hard out here, bro. I had a track day a couple of weeks ago, like maybe 2, maybe 3 weeks ago, and it was my first event with the Brake Booster Delete. I went in there knowing that, like, okay, I have a Brake Booster Delete, so I have to be careful how I press the brakes, how I just go about braking, right? At my local track, which is Palm Beach International Raceway, there's a long ass straight where you can max out the car. Like, bro, it's did the long straight, and when it was going to braking, I was applying pressure to the brakes. So when you have a Brake Booster Delete, you don't have the, I guess, luxury of pressing the brakes and your car just go like that. You have to really press the brakes. It's like modulating brakes. It's like if you're at the gym, you have the Smith machine where it's assisted bench press, like the assisted bench press machine or whatever machine you use, it's assisted. So that's basically like having a brake booster. With the Delete, it's like you're hitting straight up bar, and like you just straight up hitting the bar with no assisted machine, nothing. So you have to really modulate, you know, your weight, if that makes sense. It probably didn't, but whatever. So on the back straight, when I was about to start braking, I had to I had to really press the brake and it stopped. I'm like, oh, okay, that's how good you can modulate it. Going from a brake booster to a Brake Booster Delete, doing track stuff, I highly recommend the Brake Booster Delete, because if I was hitting the PBIR track going like 130 miles an hour and I pressed the brakes to brake with a brake booster, my car would have instantly like it would have stopped to the point where it's like I'm over here trying to mess with all this. As each lap was going by, I was slowly but surely learning how to modulate my braking points how to get smoother braking. It's like an overall better experience. And with the Hone Developments kit, they have it to where it's a 6-to-1 ratio compared to like the standard 4-to-1 ratio that you would get from like any other competitor's brake booster delete setup. People ask me like, yo, how do you feel about this brake booster compared, brake booster delete kit compared to this kit? I say, bro, if it has a 6-to-1 kit, go for it. If not, go with the Hone Developments, because when you have to drill that hole for the 6-to-1 kit, it's much better. Dude, it feels like you have a brake booster on, but you don't. Like, I can't, it just, dude, I can't truly explain how good this kit is or how beneficial it has been to me. Now, for daily driving street use, if you want to like make your car like a track-inspired track car, I probably wouldn't recommend this unless you have like track-inspired brakes, like a big Willwood kit, or you have a spoon, like any brake kit that you have that's not OEM. This will benefit you dearly. And I have DTC 60 brake pads, Hawk brake pads on my car, so my car stops on a dime. Having this kit along with nice brakes, it's well worth it. Like, it's well worth the money, and it's not even that expensive to buy this kit. I believe it's like $140 max shipped on there. Well, I won't say shipped, but like I think the kit is like $124.99. I have it on the screen in case I'm wrong, which I'm sure I am, but it's not that expensive. And I honestly prefer this kit over like a regular brake booster because I can modulate my braking. Being able to modulate your braking, I believe, would benefit you dearly on the track. I got the Crocs on, and I've been like trying to heel toe with Crocs on. I'm trying to learn the aspect of heel toeing with Crocs on. I've been practicing my heel toe lately, like with when I have regular shoes on, and I'm getting way better at it. Heel toeing is actually pretty dope. I did order a set of Hone Developments pedals, so I can't wait for those to come in. I got the notification that they shipped today, so that's pretty dope. Yeah, dog. I guess for my review portion, since I just already summed up everything, it's worth it. If you plan on having a nice street car that you take to the track, as in like circuit racing, I don't know if this would be good for like drag racing. I'm sure, well, yeah. But all I know is I can only account for what I have, which is a circuit racing built platform. And I believe if you plan on getting into this sport, or you want to, you know, just have fun with your car and you have actual brakes on your car, I do recommend the Hone Developments Brake Booster Delete. People might say, oh, it's stupid. Why would you get rid of the brake booster aspect? You won't brake in time. Yada, yada. Shut your ass up. This shit is nice, all right? This is a nice kit. I like it. I prefer this actually over having a brake booster because, I don't know, it just feels better. Like, it's weird. Like, all right, watch. All right, I'm gonna tap the brake. I'm tapping the brake. If I were to tap the brake with a brake booster, my car would be like, but this, you really, it's so cool. Like, you choose how you want to brake with a brake booster delete. Like, you choose how you want to brake. If you want to brake hard, mash the brakes hard. If you want to brake softly a little bit, mash the brakes softly. You know, like, it just gives you full control. Crocs is not that bad. It's actually not that bad. It's pretty cool. So I guess that's like what the end of this video with my review. I mean, hopefully I answered it for you. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll write to you that way. But like, from me thinking about everything I need to say, I think I said everything. If you want to choose how you brake with your car, get a brake booster delete, but make sure it's the Hone Developments, because it's 6-to-1 pedal ratio, way better than that 4-to-1 shit So, hey, there you have it. So yeah. So I guess for the remainder of this video, I'll just have some POV stuff. Maybe do a pull here and there. I'm on my way to like this get-together Veterans Memorial Day barbecue thing that they have going on at the beach. That's where my family's at right now.